Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and I'm doing an unboxing, and it is of a happy planner. So, you guys, if you've seen my videos lately, you'd see that I'm going back in to planning. I had so much fun the first couple weeks that I'm like, oh, there's no way I cannot continue this. So I was looking for a 2022 planner, and I had to show this to you for two reasons. One is I found one and it's huge. So make sure you know what size you're going to get, because I'm a classic girl and this one's pretty big, but I can still use it. So this is what it is, and it is a 2022, but it says homeschool on it. So it is for homeschoolers, but I wanted to get it because the price was amazing, so I had to show it to you. I'm going to put a link in case you want it, and you're not going to believe it's only $16.99, and so it came with the big planner. It's huge, huge. So I really don't know what I'm in for. Okay, it's not as huge. I thought it went all the way to here. It's not as huge as I thought it was. But it comes with a washi tape. It comes with some stickers. So those are some stickers. There's a washi tape in there. They're little apples, like teal with teal apples. And then we've got some apples. Look at that little computer and that little note there. Super cute. It comes with this little guy for your tabs there. How cute is that? And even if you have just the regular size, you could cut it down to where you want it and have that tab. So $16.99, and it is a bigs. It's one of the big. So look how big that is. And then I'm gonna turn the camera down so that we can go through it together. Okay, I'll be back in one sec. All right, here it is. It can't even fit in there. It fits that way. So let's see here. At first, I want to point out that these are highlighters. Oh. And let's go ahead. Here's our hello with the little homeschooling layout. So I don't know what a little homeschooling layout is, but we're going to find out. Here's the full year 2022. Can you see that? There you go. And then this is so cool. This is so cool. I didn't know. This must have been added since I was using the planners, because it's the whole entire year, so that would be great for like birthdays, right? You can always have them. Oh, hold on. This starts, oh, this can be used right now. This started in 2021. So we've got the whole end of the year, and then we've got, oh, hold on, this might be why. See, this is why I show you. It goes until July. But that's okay. If you know the Happy Planner, they have 12-month and they have 18-month. So going through July will not be a problem. My year goes from October through September anyways. So this will be good because I am going to use this for my teaching, for my Stampin' Up! Classes. And it's got like subjects and deadlines. It's got some little notes of to do. Some chores there. Oh, look at that. It says International Left-Handers Day. So August 13th, just so you know. I'm going to skip ahead, and we'll just do October, where we're at right now. So it looks like every month is the same. These, again, so cute. You can just cut these and use them when you're, you know, put them in a frame and stuff. Adorable. So here's our month view. today is Columbus Day and also Indigenous Peoples Day. So I did not know that. All right, we've got a grade tracker. You guys, this might not be for you because I don't give out grades. Although I've got a team. I could keep track of their stuff, right? I've got a team of people under me. That would be a great place. A goal overview. That is definitely something that I could use. Can you feel I'm going on this roller coaster? I'm like, was this $16 well spent? But look, I've got black little holders now, rings. So that's kind of cool. We've got deadlines, details. This is lesson details, but it could be goal details. Oh my gosh, this is so not what I was thinking. It's got a class overview. Great, because I do teach classes. There's a reading list, which that would also be good. I could keep track of the books that I read, or I could just not do it as a reading list. I can do it as my stamp list that I'm going to be using. Right? Okay, here we go. Now we're getting into the months. We've got important assignments. Don't forget, you can't see any of that. There we go. Important assignments, don't forget. Weekly focus and activities. And this is your layout. We've got notes for the week ahead. And then you've got a full Saturday and Sunday. Well, it's not full, but it's a heck of a lot bigger than normal. And then you've got the whole days there. And it looks like each one is the same. Let's see. Homeschool, sweet homeschool. See, now this could be turned into such a sweet little welcoming sign there. And then at the back it says important things to remember. This is great. It's got our months, daylight savings time, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and Hanukkah begins November 28th. I didn't even know that. It's got the focus for the month. And then we start all over again with this month's notes, the to-dos, deadlines, chores. So, very cool. I was like, for $16.99, I'm pretty happy with it. It's definitely not what I was thinking. I'll definitely have to change it up to make it my own, but that's easy enough. That is very easy enough. So I will probably still be on the hunt for the classic size, but this would be great for my Stampin' Up! Business for sure, and I am okay with the purchase. So let me know if this would be something that you could do, that you could use. I'll still put the link in case it is, because hello, just even the black rings and some of these. Let's look at some of these real quick. Look at that. That says happy. We already saw that, and this one's my favorite so far. Let's see what we've got. Oh, we've got some fun little shoppers there. You are capable of amazing things. I love these colors. There we go. Choose happy. That's another one that could go into a frame and be done. Celebrate every tiny victory. Live simply. Today is a great day to learn something new. And then finally, July. Happiness starts from within. So there we go. This was cool. This was fun. $16.99, not too shabby to get all of this stuff, especially if you are a homeschool mom. This is perfect. If you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, this is pretty good too. Or if you have any type of business, you can turn it in and make it your own. So this was not in any way a sponsored video, but I just wanted to show you what I got. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!